time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I am rushing to get out of this house to drop my kids to school. Tyler just said, Mama, where is Papa? Papa left home extra early this morning. He's out of town and he's gone to catch the train. But what Tyler doesn't know is that Papa is going to catch the train out of town today, which he doesn't normally do. That's because, come let me tell you, why Papa catch the train. Gone out of town today. Turn around so the face can capture your face. Papa is going to take the train out of town today because the new car is coming home today. Papa gone for the new car. He's gonna carry it on his way home.
So I go to the train without his car.
Because he walked to the train station this morning. The train station is just down the road.
So how's the car will go in the train?
No, he's gonna drive the car home.
Oh.
Sarah,
Yes.
you remember the new car?
Yeah.
What color is Mama new car and Papa new car and Sarah new car and Tyler new car? What color is the new car?
Pink.
No, you remember when we go look at the new car, the red car?
Red car.
Yeah, the red car is the new car. So our new car is coming today.
Vacation.
The new car is coming home today. Papa gone for the new car. Say good morning to Faves.
What?
She doesn't understand. You want to go in the new car?
Yeah.
Yes, the new car come home later. You'll see the new car later, okay?
Okay.
When you come home, the new car will be home.
White.
No, the new car is red.
Yes.
Yeah. So we won't drive in the blue car anymore. We have a red car now.
Oh.
Yes.
So what we'll do for our old car?
We're gonna give it to Tata.
Okay.
Anyway, you guys, I'm making green juice because you know my kids love their green juice, and it's good to give them, especially now that they're having a little cough here and there. Green juice is almost around here in the morning. So here we go. Ready to make green juice?
Yeah.
Yay!
Mama.
Yeah. You want to help? Yeah. No. Oh. Put your finger. Tyler. Tu fais quoi? Hurry up. Yeah, they want to eat? Wait, this one. Sit properly on this thing. Eat it. She loves eat lemon. By the way, somebody in the comment section asked me, what is the green juice recipe? My green juice recipe never changes. It's 5 ingredients, quick and easy. Lemon, ginger, celery, cucumber, apple. And I juice all those, not blend. Juice. There's a difference between blending and juicing. Blending, you have to add water to it. Juicing, you don't. So you get all that goodness. So that's my green juice recipe. And I've been drinking this green juice recipe for years. Years. Ty! You should have put your shoes already. Where you are?
I'm with Holly.
Come.
I'm am in the kitchen. I am in front of you.
Say good morning to Faye. Here.
Bonjour, Annie.
Here. No, here. This one is for you.
Bonsoir.
One. Give Mama one. Thank you. This one is for Mama. Hold your cup. Drink your green juice. Try to get them kids not to be as sick as if they catch something. This green juice helps their immune system, especially with the ginger and honey, ginger and lemon. I also give them shots of honey and lemon in the mornings before school. I want to give them that though when they're coming down with something. Like now. Already done. Tyler, if you want to hold it, let you hold it. Remember how you take this out. And then she's supposed to do it in between your foot. Open up your foot.
Les habits de ski. C'est quoi ça? Un chat.
Another day of hair lesson.
C'est quoi ça? Un bonnet.
With the hair boss.
Des moufles. C'est quoi ça?
Okay, you're gonna brush the hair.
Oui,
bébé,
chaussures de ski.
Honey,
c'est quoi ça?
first thing you do is hold all the hair in your left hand. In your left hand. Don't spend too much time.
C'est quoi ça?
Use the brush strong. Is the brush? You brush the hair in one direction. Everything to the top. Here, Sarah.
Mama. C'est quoi ça?
The stronger you hold the brush, the firmer the hair will brush.
C'est un bob. Un t-shirt et un t-shirt. Non, ça c'est des sandales.
How can I not say anything when you're not doing it to teach you? Yes, hold it firm. Hold the hair strong.
Maman. C'est quoi ça? Un maillot de bain. Les habits pour aller faire dodo. C'est quoi ça? Un pyjama. Oui, c'est quoi ça? Un toutou. Oui, c'est quoi ça? Un tablier.
That's not bad at all.
Une robe de
That's
chambre.
not bad. That's not bad at all. That's better than yesterday.
Je suis sûre.
That's really not bad. But when you do her hair, you
C'est quoi
bring this
ça?
on
Des pois.
Sarah, regarde-moi.
If she goes school like that, she will survive.
Maman.
What you need to work on is put. I'm gonna give you
Maman,
this down. What you no oil. What you
So
need
when
to
you
work
when
on,
you finish this, you just leave it like this.
yes. What you need to work on is putting this in. That's what you have problem with. Tyler, leave her. Tyler, leave her, please. This is the technique that you're not doing properly, and you almost get it tonight. That's why it looks so better than yesterday. So what you need to do is when you put, I'm gonna give you the doll. I'm gonna give you this. I'll make you follow me.
This is too little.
Mama, give me a pink.
too short.
This.
No, not play with me.
Give me a papa.
Here, use this one.
One.
You want which one?
Pink one. Pink one is black.
Sit. Let me look for it. Here.
Pink Barbie.
Put the doll between your foot. Which pink Barbie? This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Like a Barbie.
Here. I'm gonna need if you follow me. Follow what I do, okay?
What is that? It's pink
Put
one.
this out so you can really see
What is that?
what I'm doing. Oh! Say excuse me.
Excuse me. Mama, little oil.
No oil for the doll. Alright. You see how you catch it? You have our hair to the front of our head. This, how you hold it. You're not supposed to hold our hair to the front of our head. The hair must be in the middle of our head. Not towards the front, but in the middle.
Okay.
And you give it a firm grip. She's not hurting.
Okay.
Sarah not hurting. I said no. Sit down and comb your Barbie here.
Please.
Okay, you can get it. Follow me. Look at my step and then you do your step, okay? Look, just look at me first. So I'm using my right hand and I'm gonna replace it with the left hand with the same tight grip. Same grip it tight. Alright, good. Now this hand free, but this one still have the same grip. 2 finger. Pull it over the hair with that same tight grip. That's it. Don't let go that right hand. Use your big finger to help pull it right. Voila. But that right hand must grip same way tight.
Okay.
Very good. Keep that right hand. Do not move that right hand. This left hand, see, still have the elastic and we still have that tight grip. Use your 3 finger in it. 3 finger. You see the 3 finger? It's 3. You have 4. We turn it. Okay. Now I'm gonna put my 5 finger in it completely. But look how my 5 finger open up. It open up to the sky. Your finger is not through it.
No, but if the elastic is tight, so I can't really.
Because you need it to open wide to grip this.
I can't open more.
Okay. Let's change dolls. Take it off. Alright. Left hand grip, right hand band. Still tight grip and we pull it through. We pull it from over here. We pull in. Voila, that's it. Turn up to the sky and push your 5 finger through. Your 5 finger must up to the clouds. This, your right hand, we gonna put the hair lay in between the 4 finger and the big finger. Very good. Grip this now. You come in around here, so, and do this so you can see the band. Voila. Keep that grip tight. Alright, you see what we did around here so earlier? Back to the sky. Push your 5 finger through. Very good. We're gonna pull this through. Voila. Very good. Very good.
This is Minnie. Careful. Hi, I'm Minnie. And what's this? Like that. And
That's it. That's it. Don't let it go. Because the hair is so thick, you won't be able to do. Look how neat is your catch. Look how neat is your catch. Okay, now you're gonna do this. Look how neat was that catch. Wait, Sarah. Focus on the root. Hand at the root at all times. Yes. Stop bringing this up so much. Hand at the root. Okay, go on. Very good. There we go. Very good. You did that good. Bring it through. Very good. Always keep a firm grip at the root. With this hand, while your hand is up here. See, it a loosen. 5 fingers supposed to be in it, not 4. Very good. Very good. Twist now up to the sky. No. Very good. Very good. Very good. You can get one more out of that. It's too loose, but it's okay. Leave her for tonight. But that's progress. That's progress. And you see, if you do that and it fall to the side, that's okay. She can go to school like that.
Pretty.
Let me see if you can put in her bow. Try put in her bow. You just tie it like a shoelace. Like a shoelace. That's it. Like a shoelace. Come here. One tie. Shoelace. That's it.
Baby.
Very good. Bravo. Bravo. That's not bad.
Come,
Today's lessons
Sarah.
are progress from
Viens voir.
yesterday.
Viens voir. Fais un câlin à papa. C'est merci papa.
Today's is a progress. Not bad. You did well today.
Thank you.
Come, Ty, to your bed. Sarah, to your bed. Party's over. Chop, chop. Party done. Honey, carry the camera and go for comfort for your daughter. Up on your bed. Where are you going?